Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. I have a special story for you today. Many people understand English, but they feel shy to speak. They feel afraid. Does this happen to you? Do you know many English words, but still feel scared to speak? Do you think, what if I make a mistake? Do you worry, what if people laugh at me? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. But today, I will tell you a story. This story will help you become confident and speak English without fear. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully. There was a 12-year-old boy named Jake. Jake lived in a small town with his parents and his little sister, Lily. Jake was a very kind and curious boy. He loved playing football with his friends. He enjoyed watching movies. But most of all, Jake loved English. He liked watching English cartoons. He listened to English songs. Sometimes he read English books. But Jake had one big problem. He was afraid to speak English. Every morning, Jake went to school. His school had English classes. His teacher, Miss Emma, was very kind. She always said, "Speak in English. Practice every day." But Jake never spoke. He understood everything. He knew many words. He even knew grammar rules. But when the teacher asked a question, he stayed quiet. He looked down at his desk. When his classmates spoke English, he listened, but he never opened his mouth. Jake had many thoughts in his mind. What if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? What if my English sounds bad? So, every day, Jake sat in class silently. One day, his teacher, Miss Emma, noticed this. She saw that Jake always listened but never spoke. After class, she called him. Miss Emma smiled and said, "Jake, I see you understand English very well." Jake nodded. "Yes, I understand." Miss Emma asked, "Then why don't you speak?" Jake looked down at his shoes and said softly, "I am scared. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me?" Miss Emma smiled kindly. "Making mistakes is okay, Jake. This is how we learn. Let me tell you a secret." Jake looked up, curious. "A secret?" Miss Emma nodded. "Yes, a secret about learning English." Jake listened carefully. Miss Emma said, "Think about small children. When they learn to talk, do they speak perfectly?" Jake thought for a moment. Then he shook his head. "No, they make mistakes." Miss Emma continued, "Yes. They say, 'I goed' instead of 'I went.' They say apple red instead of red apple." Jake smiled. "Yes, my little sister, Lily, always makes mistakes." Miss Emma asked, "Does Lily stop speaking?" Jake laughed. "No, she talks all the time." Miss Emma clapped her hands. "Exactly. She is not afraid. That is why she learns quickly. You must do the same." Jake thought about it. "Maybe I should try," he said. That evening, Jake went home. He stood in front of the big mirror in his bedroom. At first, he felt a little silly. He took a deep breath and said, "Hello, my name is Jake. I like English." He looked at himself. "This is not so bad," he thought. Then he tried again. "I like to read books. I like to play football. I like ice cream." He made some mistakes. He forgot some words. But he did not stop. The next day at school, he saw his best friend, Tom. Tom said, "Hey, Jake, how are you?" Usually, Jake answered in his own language. But today, he tried something new. He smiled and said, "I am good. And you?" Tom's eyes widened. "Wow, Jake, you are speaking English." Jake felt happy. "Yes, I'm trying." From that day, Jake started practicing more. He spoke with his friends. He spoke in front of the mirror. He spoke with himself when he was alone. At first, he made many mistakes, but he remembered Miss Emma's words. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help us learn. Slowly, Jake became more confident. One day, Miss Emma announced, "Next week, we will have a small English speaking test. Everyone must speak for 1 minute." Jake felt nervous. Oh no, what if I forget my words? What if I make mistakes? But then he remembered his practice. He remembered his mirror practice, his small talks with friends, his teacher's advice. He took a deep breath and said to himself, "I can do this. Mistakes are okay." The day of the test came. Jake stood in front of the class. His hands were shaking. His heart was beating fast. But he started speaking. "Hello, everyone. My name is Jake. I like to play football. I like to watch movies. My favorite movie is Spider-Man. I want to learn English because I want to travel the world. Thank you." He made some mistakes, but he did not stop. When he finished, Miss Emma smiled and clapped. The students clapped. Jake felt happy. That day, Jake learned something very important. Fear goes away when you practice. Dear friends, what do we learn from Jake's story? Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Speak every day. Speak with friends, family, or yourself. Practice with simple sentences. Start small, then speak more. Listen and repeat. Listen to English and copy what you hear. Believe in yourself. Now it's your turn. Write one English sentence in the comments. Let's practice together. Did you like this story? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you next time.